can cause that fault to come up. So hopefully I helped. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Eco boom! So the other day, Ford cooked itself, and that's because the fan didn't turn on, and the reason for it is because of the signal wire broken. And this one here, it grew some green canker, and he decided to basically, he was throwing the fault of something like fan motor circuit, something like that. Fan motor circuit. He was throwing a fault, and that would be why. So let's get the wire repaired, and I'll plug in my laptop and clear the fault, and then we're gonna see if the fan gonna kick in, because I couldn't turn the fan on manually with my laptop. We'll see if I'll be able to do that now with that wire repaired. Soldering iron for £5, used for everything. So, the wire is repaired. Now, let's pop the plug back in, and let's see what happens. There we go. Solid. Okay, so my diagnostic equipment is connected. We'll connect to the engine ECU, and we'll read codes. Engine on, key on, engine off. So the engine has to sort of get into his it needs to prepare itself. So if I'll open the doors, it will whinge. So if I'll open the window, you'll be able to hear the fan kicking in. Previously it was just clicking. Now, if everything is correct, it should kick in. There you go, spinning now. The fan is spinning. And it's turned off. And that's it, no faults. And previously I had a fault. I think I'll be able to show you here. That will say the actual fault. There you go. Fan 1 control circuit. And that was the fault. That one. So let's clear that. Can we turn it on manually? I don't think so. I don't think I'll be able to do it here. No. What is that? So all I've got left to do is basically run the engine until it heats up. I'll take it maybe for a spin, warm it up, and see then what's happening. And if the fan kicks in, well, then you will know. Or actually, if I'll start it up, I think I'll be able to put the aircon on, which is there. And where is the aircon button? Anyone? Climate? Nope. I need to put the light on. I think the alternator is on its way out due to the light flashing. AC, there you go. Let's have a look if anything is spinning. Probably won't spin now because it's cold, but oh, it actually is. Look, see? There you go. Sound. Happy days. So, there you go. If you've got a Ford with fan number 1, this fan 1 circuit something, go through your wiring first, and that could save you money, potentially save you money. Obviously if you run your checks on the wire and you see no issues whatsoever, no issues there at all, then obviously get yourself a fan. But if you're not sure about wiring, ask someone or double check yourself, because a little bit of this green canker on the wiring or on the plug can cause that fault to come up. So hopefully I helped. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Eco boom.